Let's make curry sauce and chicken. We need chicken, curry, garlic, ginger, and coconut milk. Let's get this chicken and curry sauce base perfectly mixed. Now we add these fresh, colorful veggies to give it some crunch. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye!